I can do anything I want. I am confident in any social situation. I can do anything I put my mind to. I enjoy looking good and feeling healthy. I am sure of myself in all situations. I am in control of my life. I am unique in every way. I am cool, calm, and in control. I have all the willpower I ever need. I always attract positive people in my life. I am energetic and enthusiastic. I confidently meet any challenge. Confidence comes naturally to me. I love my body and my soul. I love my life and I choose to be happy. I am able to control any situation in my life. I have faith in myself and in my abilities. I always make choices that are good for my body and mind. With each step I take, I become more and more confident. I am beautiful. I have a purpose in this life. I trust myself. Other people believe in me because I believe in myself. I am successful in all that I do. I am strong today and always. I am optimistic in the future. Nothing is impossible and life is great.